All right, this is the STRICH electric guitar beginners kit. This is going to be the humbucker single coil sapphire blue version. The company sent me this product for review, but everything I say in this video is going to be my own opinion. And I've been playing guitar and bass my whole life, and I also worked in a guitar shop. There's a certain time of the year where everyone always comes to me and asks me if I have a beginner guitar kit. So we'll see how this fits the bill. First of all, this box, 40 inches by 18 inches, and it came inside of a larger box. We got a whammy bar. All right, we got an Allen wrench for the truss rod and an Allen wrench that's going to be for adjusting the saddles. That's so we know it's an adjustable neck. All right, right off the bat, we have a pretty decent padded gig bag, 2-zipper gig bag. You know, a lot of these kits come with really thin gig bags in them, like really super thin. This is actually a decent padded gig bag. We got a little pad on the bottom because you're going to be setting your guitar down like that. That protects the bottom. Got a handle on it. We got backpack straps on here. And there's a pocket inside of here to put whatever you want, your cables, tablet, whatever. That's not bad. That's a decent bag. We have a STRICH bag here full of goodies. Let's see what we got. Comes with a set of strings, 9 through 42, pretty standard. Good gauge for beginners. We have a strap here. I'm a tall guy, so I'm gonna need it way down here. So fully extended, the strap is about 50 inches long, and it is pretty decent material there. This could be a little better material, but it's all right. It's a beginner's kit. That'll work just fine. We have a 10-foot long tip and ring guitar cable. This is gonna be totally fine for a beginner kit. Plenty of room. We have a capo. Look at that, huh? A guitar tuner. They even gave us a battery. CR2032, little clip-on tuner. Pads on here. It's a chromatic guitar, bass, violin, ukulele. Pitch range 440. We'll just set it on guitar for now. And get a little amp with it. I have little battery-powered mini ones, but I've not seen one that is actually USB rechargeable. And they've given us a charging cable in here, which everybody has, USB Type-C. Clean button and an overdrive button. We got volume, we got a gain, a tone. All right, now onto the guitar. Sapphire blue, kind of looks a little sparkly on there, sort of. It has a 25.5-inch neck on it, just like a Stratocaster. Typical Stratocaster will have 3 single coils. This one has a humbucker, single and a single, a little more metally with the humbucker there, huh? This is the cover that covers the springs for the tremolo system, and looks like a maple neck right here. Volume, tone, typical Strat. We have a 5-way selector switch. This smaller Allen wrench is for adjusting these saddles for when you set the intonation if you want to, or have a luthier do it. And the other Allen wrench is for adjusting the truss rod, which you can see right here. Let's take a quick look inside of here. They say it's poplar wood, and it does look to be solid wood inside of there. Just making sure it wasn't plywood, and it's not. I'm gonna check the resistance on these 3 pickups using a cable. Some of the cable is going to be factored into the resistance on here, but not much. So let's test the humbucker. We're in the humbucker position here on the switch. 12.45 or so. Okay, let's go to the middle position. So this is going to be this middle pickup right here. I'm going to think this is going to be around 6 because a Strat is typically around 6. There we go, 6, yep. And I'm going to think the same thing for this top pickup right here, probably around 6. And it's around 6. Exactly what I would have expected. I like that. Right out of the box. When they shipped this, they had the strings loosened, which is what you're supposed to do. So I've got it tuned up, and the action's slightly high for my taste. Everybody has a different taste. If I were to play this guitar, I would adjust this truss rod and set up the intonation to my own liking, which is going to be a little bit lower. But it's totally playable right out of the box. So I've got the amp on clean right here. Got it on 10. Gains up. It's a 10-watt amp. It's not going to crank, and I'm playing through. You can hear it through my lapel mic right here. So. Not bad. Going through it, there's no dead frets. That's important. All right, let's hear it dirty. When you have it totally cranked up, I'm getting a little buzz out of here and out of the top pickup. If I were going to use this live, for instance, I would get in there and trick a few things out. That's just me. It's not a bad little beginner's kit. It has literally everything you need. The gig bag, the capo, the little mini amp, the cable, the guitar itself with the humbucker.